but now I'll rise above you.
Okay, I think I've got everything I need. Going to the tower today. Bye, girls. Toodaloo.
Bye-bye.
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 Kisses. Mwah. Mwah. Bye, Boo-Boo.
Bye, Daddy. Bye. I'm gonna miss you.
I'm gonna miss you too.
Bye. I'm gonna miss you too. Why do you have to do? Daddy.
Whatty?
Why do you have to fly drones and go out like?
Because I like flying drones. Why do you have to play with Barbies and ride your scooter?
I would ride scooter.
All right, go inside. Go inside. It's cold out here. You guys don't have like real clothes on. Ellie, come on. Nice boots, dude. Nice boots, jackets, and jammies.
Why do you like to fly drones so much?
I don't know. Why do you like Barbies? Yeah, you don't know. We play with. It's my boy toys. Okay, love you.
You should buy an electric car, remote control.
I should buy an electric car. It's a good idea. Okay, I gotta go. The sooner I leave, the sooner I come back.
Daddy, or an electric. Or an electric car can like fly with a drone.
Whoa. Okay, well think about that. Okay.
Or
Mwah.
you could buy a electric drone.
Okay. I love you.
You can fly super fast and
Bye.
all over the place. Yeah.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye. And that's why it takes forever to get out of the house. All right, let's see. Do I have enough drones? Endurance long distance quad, freestyle quad, freestyle beater quad. Remote, it's got batteries, chargers, batteries, goggles. I think we're good. Let's go. Bye. I underestimated how cold it was going to be out here. What up, everybody? Well, that was a lot of fun. Leaving now, burned all the packs, didn't break anything, but poor Duda FPV. This quad is on top of the tower, and has left without a quad. We don't have any retrieval quads here with us, so it's might be sleeping there for the night. We're not sure when he's gonna get back. He will get it back, one way or another. We'll get it back. Guys have climbed the tower before, but they've kind of blocked off the way to get in. But he'll get it back. It sucks, man. I know the feeling of leaving without a quad. You know, no quad left behind. Yeah, but sometimes quad's gotta stay the night in a tree or on a tower or something. So he'll get it back. I feel for the dude. It really sucks. I know the feeling. So, but we're wrapping up a good day, good times. See you on the next one.